Another day in the average garage. What I'm doing now is working on the 06 Xt225. I have this. I just got that out of the box. Put this on there. Why? So we can run GPS and phones and charge stuff up and all that kind of good stuff. And because everything has one. Every motorcycle in the world, every car has a GPS. This is going to plug in. You don't have to run it full time. You plug into your charging port for your what do you call these things, man? I can't remember anything anymore. What are they called? Battery tender. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Anyway, on the battery tender port. Plugs in the battery tender port. We're cruising along. So you cruise along, charging your battery. You're also running your these are kind of hard to get open too. It's not like you're going to pop this baby open while you're cruising. Yeah, it's got dual USB ports in there. And you could imagine if this thing is shut, it is waterproof, but when it's open, I don't think so. There it is. Anyway, I'm going to run that since I have the tank off the bike because of this fiasco. Oh my goodness. This was a nightmare. Wasn't a nightmare, but boy, it sure freaked me out when it happened. The little Allen head screws that screw this in just stripped. I did not put this on. I did this for all the cracking. This one was not that bad. The 05 was terrible. It was cracked all over. But I ran this little bead on here of epoxy, 5-minute epoxy on here, and so I did not install this unit. These were cranked down and wouldn't turn. They broke, and I ended up. I got the brand new ones, and like I said, I got the good ones, not the cheapies. I ended up with this configuration right here. Let's see if we can see it. Where'd it go? There it is. I put these hex heads in there. There's the right length, thread and everything. They're Yamaha parts. And you kind of see the one on the other side. So they should work. I mean, they're silver, not black. Does it make a difference? We'll find out. But at least I got a brand new boot on there. And I'm fixing to put the carburetor on it. Back on it. It's upside down sitting there. Fixing to put that back on there. And then we're going to run this. We're going to put it up through here. It's going to go up in there. Down through the handlebars and along here, and it's going to run down here to my battery tender port. It'll come down along the side. It's going to be just move away so I can get the carburetor in it, but it will plug in there when you need it. And so we'll have all that. We'll have all that USB stuff. And here's my little gas tank. There's my nice seat to put on there.